for the night. Shawty, don't you leave for the night. No, you don't know my name. Lately, all these bitches want is my fame. You don't know that you the one on my.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
So we made it, guys. We're in Puerto Rico.
92 degrees.
Yeah, so we're just waiting on our Uber to go to the Airbnb. It actually don't feel that bad upstairs out here. Yeah. So all right, y'all, we made it to the Airbnb and I'm about to give y'all a little tour with the help of my assistant here. Alright, so welcome to our Airbnb. So when you first walk in, show them that. The entryway. So we have a little gate code box or whatever and some keys. And when you first come into the area, we have the foot washing station. So we got stuff for your feet, you can just wash it off. And then you got this cute little situation right here. And then here is our room. There's other people, I think they're over here as well. Got some in, got a door, got two wheelchairs. Move down. When we enter, voila! It's the Airbnb. So to your left, you have a sitting area. You got some cute little magazines, little painting. Then to your right is, oh, there's a mirror. To your right is like a little breakfast nook area. You got a little window. And then once you come in here, you have the kitchenette area. So you got a little mini fridge. They left us some beer in there and some water, which was really nice. We got a little burner. We got a microwave. We got a sink. Something smells like cat pee in here. But other than that, it's real cool. Okay, follow me. We both can't go in here together because it's too small. But in here, you have the bathroom, which is not much of anything, really. You got a standing shower in there. You can show them that. You don't want to touch the shower curtain. You scared? Okay. And then in here, this is the bedroom. Some cute little full-size bed, I think. And they got a TV mounted on the wall. And then there's the best part, me. And that's it for the tour. Now let's go do some activities. So y'all, we are ready to go to the beach, and this is my outfit. Just a cute little Shein little piece or whatever. You can't really see me, the lighting. Okay, there we go. Might as well right here and tell them that it stinks in here. But yeah, our Airbnb smells like cat pee. I don't know if somebody had a pet in here, and then when they came and cleaned it, they didn't notice it. I don't know, but yeah. Right there by the kitchen. It's like where the refrigerator is. So yeah, we about to head out. We probably gonna walk. Brandon said something about a trolley, but if we can't find it, then we're gonna go walk to the beach. It's only like 7 minutes away, so yeah. See you guys when we get there. Bye. So y'all, I don't have my camera, so sorry about the quality. Brandon just left, well, Boo just left and went to Walgreens. I don't know what he went to go get, but he went to Walgreens, and I'm just standing here waiting on our food. We came to this place called Rolo. a cute little spot, if you all can tell. So we got like the open bar area. So we're just gonna order to go and then we're gonna walk to the beach. I'll show you guys the food when it gets here or when we get to the beach. And yeah, so I'll pick you guys up then. I'm out here looking crazy, y'all, but the wind is blowing. I got this turban not wrapped properly on my head. It's nice out here. Me and Boo. And huh?
Drag out the air.
We got the food from the pizzeria place I just showed y'all, and then we got some garlic knots as well. So we're just chilling on our little makeshift beach thing. And there's the view. So yeah, hopefully I get a couple pictures. We took some a second ago, but Brandon wasn't supposed to meet it yet, so we're gonna try it again and see how it goes. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit y'all up later so y'all can see what. Oh yeah, she's so close. What is she trying to do? It's been a minute since I picked y'all up. Shit went down, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all about it when we get back to our destination. But right now, we are walking on some street. What's the street called? I don't know what he just said. Something Ashford, something. But it has a whole bunch of like restaurants and stuff, like STK and the Cartier store and whatnot. So we're just out here walking, trying to find something to eat, some drinks. Yeah.
Where we didn't see it.
Oh shit, they got Asian cuisine. Look like a hookah place right there. Y'all been trying to find hookah. Okay, that's a light. I've been trying to find hookah. I'm a hookah head. Like, this shit is crazy. But okay, the lights disappear now. So I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get to our destination. Where they going? There's one. If y'all can hear me, but we ended up coming to the restaurant I showed you guys, and we just ordered our. Why you look so weird? I feel like you about to take a full picture. But I'm gonna show y'all the food when it come out, because they got music playing in the background. So I ain't show y'all my nails. Look.
Mine ain't too bad.
Huh? They look ugly in this lighting. Okay. You can have some food if you want it.
They ain't give you no rice though. I know you gonna fuck it up.
Alright, y'all. Welcome back. I'm Gracie. Let me just tell y'all about this wild ass experience we had our first day in fucking Puerto Rico. So, first things first. Got to the Airbnb. As y'all seen the little video tour of it. Walked in. It was okay looking, but it smelled like pee. It smelled straight like urine. I was associating it with a animal. So we kind of were like getting ready and stuff, and I kind of like, I didn't brush it off, but I was like, okay, maybe it'll go away. I don't know, maybe if it's something they clean with. Didn't go away. So I was like, I'm gonna hit up the host of the Airbnb. I'm out of breath because it's another story I'm gonna tell y'all about. But basically, hit the Airbnb guy up. We left and went to the beach, and he took a minute to write me back. But eventually he wrote me back and he was like, hey, can you wait for me? He ended up showing up, I guess, when we weren't there. And then he said it was something wrong with the sewage line. So he was like, I can do one or two options. You all can call Airbnb and cancel it, or you cancel a reservation, or you all can stay and wait for the plumbers tomorrow. No, I want my money back so we can go find somewhere else to stay. So basically we ended up at another hotel that was twice the amount as the Airbnb was, and it's old, and we just got stuck in the elevator. So that's pretty much the update. So right now we're staying at the Comfort in San Juan. It's like they try to do renovations, but they just slap like pink. But they just slapped pink and blue colors and some marble slab shit on top of the counters.
They hired a interior designer to try to revamp the colors.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on in here, but there's homegirl over there with her rollers in. They got some other people with rollers in. And then, like, let me just give y'all a little tour, child. It ain't nothing. It ain't worth $500, basically. That's what it was.
Yeah. I mean, for it to be, the standard of living to be cheaper, because gas is 70 cents.
Yeah, gas is 70 cents here, y'all.
For it to be a lower standard of living, these hotels look more expensive than you'll find in Atlanta.
And another thing, my edges here, like the humidity and my edges just don't go hand in hand here. Like, this is very ghetto. Like, oh, my edges, oh. My edges don't like Puerto Rico. So, yeah. Oh, but about the whole elevator experience, child, just came in from eating some trash ass food, by the way, that I just showed y'all. Trash, don't eat there. Shit was just trash, like the food, trash. We just got back from there, came in, the elevator was already open, mind you, so we got in the elevator, clicked the up button, it didn't do nothing. Clicked it again, it didn't do nothing. Brandon got out, tried to go to the other one, that bitch almost closed and was like, please repair, da, 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 da. So he got back in. Then the motherfucker didn't want to let the doors open. So we wasn't, well, I was in there screaming. Some guy ended up opening the elevator shaft, and the workers were just standing there.
Just having to walk by.
Yeah, some guys just came and like snatched the door open because I was in that bitch yelling. The employees were standing there like they don't know what's going on.
Yeah, like the fuck.
Like, not a big deal, guys. Just one couple stuck in the elevator. Just keep it pushing. Good night. What the fuck is going on? But yeah, y'all, basically night one is over. Today, I'm not gonna say it was a fail, but so yeah, this is the end of the night. So we ain't about to do shit but go to sleep because we gotta get up early in the morning. And I'm gonna charge y'all and then I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. So good night.
So you got lines in it.
So y'all, we had Wendys and Brandon was like, whoa, the menu is different. They got French toast.
Like everything has French toast.
Yeah. Hola, 1 minute.
I don't know.
Can you give us 1 minute? Uno momente. Memento.
Bruh, you not gonna bring this line, bro.
Not speaking English. Okay. They got pancakes at Wendys. Should we go in? Can we come inside?
God. She mad at you.
I don't know. I'm not making fun of her. I just don't know how to speak fluent English.
You don't know how to speak fluent English?
No.
If you don't hurry up and order.
Brittany, you order. Fucking lame like she don't fucking know what we talking about anyway.
Hey, can I get a breakfast baconator sandwich, please? Meal?
For a drink?
You guys have orange juice?
What?
Do you guys have orange juice?
Order?
Yeah.
Y'all, it's 6:57 in the morning. We're at Wendys, and their menu is different in Puerto Rico, child. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. We're gonna see if, you know, Atlanta need to bring these menu items to the city.
I was expecting hash browns, you know, 6 in the morning. I ain't having no breakfast food in a minute, but no, it's okay. I just eat some fries.
What are we seeing?
And she looked at me like I was crazy. You know what? I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna put these fries on this burger. Cause they gave me burgers, so I was like, oh, he wants fries on this burger. It's up there. It's all good.
Y'all know the regular baconator meal and
these are like weird fries. These are like plankton fries.
plantain are not fucking fries. Don't ever disrespect people like that. You playing.
Alright, take it off, cut it.
No, I'm not cutting that shit and putting it in.
Plankton. Plankton? SpongeBob?
Plantain.
Plankton. What is it?
Plankton.
What is a plankton? Is that an animal or like that was just snake? Was that an animal or is that
I don't know. Please stop talking to me.
Cause I think that's a real thing.
So y'all, it came with hash browns, but we got fries instead. I don't know if that's a thing or, you know.
Unless hash browns mean fries. Like this, what they think hash browns are.
I'm pretty sure Denny's don't fucking serve fries.
I think they do.
I don't think they do.
Burger and fries, they got burgers.
Oh, God.
That'd be a breakfast burger, not a regular burger.
So, y'all, we got pancakes. We got pancakes, you know.
That's not...
Pancakes in Spanish is pancakes.
I wish I had that jelly too.
You do. One got jelly.
Let's put ketchup on my eggs.
Oh, they look cute. Okay, panty cakes. Whoa.
What? Alright, I'm about to go.
Guys, early here. We've been up since 5:30 this morning. It's now, what time? 7 o'clock. So, I'm finna eat these damn pancakes. Lord bless them. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. We're gonna see what they hitting for. Let me get a bite of my fries to go with them.
They even taste different.
They ain't got no salt on them. That's all. They're not cooking long though.
Well, we are obese in America.
So I break my pancakes up.
Even though this still is America.
Yeah, he keeps thinking we out of the fucking country and we're not out of the country. So I eat my pancakes as such. They have to be like that for me to eat them. No, I'm just playing. They don't have to, but I prefer them cut up like that. I ain't charged y'all, so I hope y'all don't die today. I brought my charger. What that baconator hitting on?
I'll let you know when I find out. Baconator.
Alright, Lord, bless this food and let it be nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name we do pray, amen. Heathen.
Amen.
You're a heathen.
Heathen?
Mm-hmm. They taste dry.
I thought it was heathen.
Heathen.
Like heaven? But with 2 E's?
I don't know how to spell it.
I thought it was heathen.
Yeah, you're right. It's early. Leave me alone.
Even heathen.
Damn, I can't even like give y'all a mukbang because Brandon ass woman drive.
Look, I ain't gonna hold you.
Your baconator good?
This shit ass.
Whoa! God damn. Somebody need to get a license.
Ass.
Juice?
ass dipped in strawberry cream cheese.
What the fuck does that mean? I thought you liked strawberry cream cheese.
It's okay, but it's not good.
Pancake's not good either. The syrup is the only thing that's helping it. They taste like, I don't know, they got this weird.
Maybe just us.
At the stop sign, turn right.
We don't belong here. This is nasty. Okay, I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Y'all, we made it on the ATVs. I'm a passenger because they didn't have any more ATVs available. But yeah, this is Yunque Rainforest. We'll be hiking that soon. But yeah, it's our ATV. So we're at the second stop now. Little river situation. We couldn't go in it. I was about to. I walked down there, but he told us to come back. And then there is this little hut that you can buy. Right there is a little hut you can buy stuff from. And it's like drinks or something. And I'm also about to go up there now.
Kicking with my new bitch, I still hang around, even though you cap. I can pretend my main nigga, bet you love just how that feel. I'm on my way around, I'm pocket English vision. Can't trust decision when you near me, get much caught in your crossfire. You want one, and I'm waiting in you like it's cool. I did like it's cool when you build a boot down when I know when it's not me. All that you know.
So y'all, we got caught in the rainforest. Literally, it's raining hard. Well, not hard anymore. Good afternoon, welcome back. So as y'all seen, ooh, girl, what's going on? The lighting is trash. Okay, so we left Yunque Rainforest at like 12ish 1. Headed back to the room, then took a shower, and now we're headed out to Old San Juan. We're about to get some food. Hopefully it's good, child, because last night was a wrap. Some food, some hookah. Please go. Hookah and some drinks. So I'll see y'all when we get there, wherever we're going. Oh, this is my outfit. I'm gonna show y'all. Cute, left to merge onto Highway 26 West. I did that. Look boring. Do I? Y'all see it? Oh, another thing about my edges, like, y'all, they're not for this weather. It's so humid here, so it just be like frizzing up. I wouldn't even say it would curl up, it just be looking a mess. So this is what I'm working with right now. Just paint me look bald. So yeah.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
Called Penny something, and we're about to get hookah, some little sliders just to hold us over, and then some drinks. So yeah, it's loud in here, but it's cute. Huh? You said what? So yeah, it's the end of the night. Well, the end of the night for us. What time is it? It is 9:15. We are back in the room. We just walked from, I guess, like the strip over here to get some food. Everything was a wait. The first place we went was Canada's. Their wait was like maybe an hour 30 minutes. Then everywhere else we walked, they were either about to close or they were just packed out. So we ended up stopping at this place called Burger Munchies, and this is what we got. This is so bad. We came to Puerto Rico and didn't eat anything to the liking, but y'all, it's hard to find food out here during this time. We got a burger, fries, we got some onion rings. Well, I got onion rings. We got some mozzarella sticks. And then Brandon got a burger as well. Y'all can see. So yeah, not much going on. We're just about to sit here and chill for the night, honey. And I guess it's like enjoy the rest of our night, and then we'll get up and start packing, and that'll probably be it. So
head south on Calle Joffre, then turn left onto Calle Marseille.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. It is 5:48. It's 5:47 in the morning, and we just checked out of the hotel. It's time to go back home. We're about to go get gas and then go take this rental back to the airport, and that's a wrap. So it's pretty much the end of the vlog. I'm sorry I didn't really get that much footage for y'all. There's a lot going on. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.